Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we've got some exciting news straight from the heart of the crypto universe. In a recent development, investment management firm Franklin Templeton has expressed bullish sentiments towards Solana, SOL, one of the rising stars in the crypto space. Franklin Templeton believes that Solana has the potential to become the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Solana's brilliance radiates from its unparalleled transaction speeds and negligible fees, setting a new standard for efficiency within the blockchain ecosystem. Unlike its predecessors, Bitcoin and Ethereum, which grapple with scalability issues and rising transaction costs, Solana's innovative technology offers a breath of fresh air. Its consensus mechanism, built upon a unique blend of proof of history, POH, and proof of stake, POS, enables lightning-fast transaction confirmations, measured in milliseconds rather than minutes or hours. This remarkable speed not only enhances user experience but also unlocks a plethora of use cases previously deemed unfeasible on slower, more congested networks. Solana's commitment to scalability extends beyond mere transaction throughput. Its robust infrastructure is designed to accommodate the exponential growth of decentralized applications, dApps, and user activity without compromising performance or security. This scalability, coupled with Solana's seamless interoperability with other blockchain networks, positions it as a prime candidate for mainstream adoption and integration into existing financial and technological systems. The significance of Solana's technological breakthroughs has not gone unnoticed by institutional investors, who recognize its potential to revolutionize the digital asset landscape. Franklin Templeton, a renowned investment management firm, is among the many institutional players that have cast their gaze upon Solana with keen interest. Their decision to embrace Solana as a strategic investment reflects a broader trend within the institutional investor community. A growing recognition of blockchain technology's transformative power and the lucrative opportunities it presents. But that's not all. Solana's ecosystem is bustling with activity, boasting a vibrant community of developers building decentralized applications, dApps, and launching projects on the platform. This growing ecosystem adds to Solana's appeal as a promising investment opportunity. So, let's delve deeper into Franklin Templeton's perspective on Solana. Their team of seasoned analysts conducted an exhaustive assessment of Solana's performance, analyzing various metrics such as transaction throughput, network congestion, and overall scalability. What they discovered was truly remarkable. Solana's blockchain infrastructure has consistently demonstrated unparalleled efficiency, boasting lightning-fast transaction speeds and near-zero fees, even during periods of peak network activity. This impressive technological prowess not only underscores Solana's capability to handle a massive transaction volume but also positions it as a frontrunner in the race for scalability, a crucial factor in the long-term viability of blockchain projects. Franklin Templeton's analysts were particularly impressed by Solana's innovative consensus mechanism, known as proof of history, POH, which complements the traditional proof of stake, POS, consensus model. POH enhances the network's security and efficiency by providing a verifiable historical record of transactions, thereby mitigating potential security vulnerabilities and ensuring the integrity of the blockchain. This novel approach to consensus, combined with Solana's high-performance architecture, has earned it recognition as one of the most technologically advanced blockchain platforms in the industry. Beyond its technical prowess, Solana has also garnered attention for its vibrant and rapidly expanding ecosystem. The Solana community comprises a diverse array of developers, entrepreneurs, and enthusiasts who are actively building decentralized applications, dApps, and launching innovative projects on the platform. This flourishing ecosystem not only fosters innovation but also creates new opportunities for growth and adoption, further solidifying Solana's position as a leading player in the crypto space. In light of these factors, Franklin Templeton's analysts are not only optimistic but unequivocally bullish on Solana's long-term prospects within the cryptocurrency market. Through an exhaustive analysis encompassing a spectrum of criteria, from technological prowess to ecosystem vibrancy, they have arrived at a resounding conclusion. Solana possesses the essential attributes to not only compete but excel among the elite ranks of cryptocurrencies. Delving deeper into their assessment, it becomes evident that their bullish sentiment is rooted in a profound understanding of Solana's underlying technology and its potential impact on the digital economy. Solana, far from being just another blockchain platform, emerges as a technological powerhouse, endowed with capabilities that transcend the limitations of traditional blockchain architectures. At its core lies a groundbreaking consensus mechanism known as proof of history, POH, which, when combined with the more conventional proof of stake, POS, consensus model, forms the backbone of Solana's high-performance infrastructure. This innovative approach to consensus not only enhances the network's security and scalability but also lays the foundation for unprecedented transaction speeds and efficiency, effectively mitigating the bottlenecks and congestion commonly associated with legacy blockchain networks. However, Solana's appeal extends beyond its technical prowess. It's the vibrant and rapidly expanding ecosystem surrounding the platform that truly sets it apart. Within this ecosystem is a diverse community of developers, entrepreneurs, and visionaries, all united by a shared commitment to innovation and progress. This community-driven ethos has fostered an environment ripe with creativity and collaboration, resulting in the proliferation of decentralized applications, dApps, and groundbreaking projects across various sectors. From finance and gaming to decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The sheer breadth and depth of Solana's ecosystem not only reflect its growing adoption but also signify its potential to disrupt and reshape industries on a global scale. Franklin Templeton's analysts recognize Solana's strategic positioning within the broader landscape of the digital economy. As the world transitions towards a more decentralized and digitized future, Solana emerges as a linchpin, facilitating seamless and frictionless interactions in a myriad of contexts. Whether it's enabling microtransactions, powering decentralized exchanges, or facilitating cross-border payments, Solana's versatility and scalability make it an indispensable tool in the arsenal of modern finance and commerce. Furthermore, its interoperability with other blockchain networks and protocols further expands its utility and reach, opening doors to a plethora of cross-chain collaborations and synergies. That wraps up today's update on Solana. See you on the next one.